Hi, I'm Cynthia Carey, and I will be showing an enhancement to the output of NC code. So the new split NC code output converts all machining operations in the ESPRIT document as separate NC code files based on the choice of per operation, per tool, or per orientation. So this function is particularly convenient for the output of a large series of long machining operations very common in mold making practices as a set of separate NC files. So instead of having to select individual operations for NC code output, which when working with a large amount of machining operations can be quite time consuming, split NC code makes this process more automated, and the program number is also updated for every program. So within the split NC code command, like I said, it'll output one program per operation or tool or orientation. It'll automatically use the NC output set in the document. It'll also include a program number and name, which are incremented for each program so that the previous program is not overwritten. In addition, the start and end links of each individual program is recalculated at runtime in order to make sure that they are starting and ending with the tool change. So with this, you may notice that in the program, the links could be different from the ones within the output NC code due to the fact that at runtime, those links are optimized per operation. So now we'll take a look at an example of this. So here I have an example ESPRIT program with mold operations. So to use this command, you're going to go to the Home ribbon and find the NC code dropdown, which will include the standard NC code and advanced, and will now include split NC code. So in this command, you have your options for split by, which is again by per operation, per tool, or per orientation. And here you can also set what you want your start program number to be, which is automatically grabbed from what is set in the ESPRIT document. And lastly, you have the option for inputting the program number increment defaulted to 1. So again, each program is not overwriting the previous. So in this particular example, first I'm going to start with splitting by per operation. And I'm going to post out the program. So again, it's going to be taking a little bit more time due to the fact that it's calculating the links to start and end with the tool change. Once it's finished generating, we should get 11 NC programs, 1 per operation in the ESPRIT document. So here you'll see it incrementing the program number 110, 19, 18, incrementing by 1, so on and so forth. And you'll see it outputting each individual operation. Now if instead you want to split by per tool, I'm going to change that option to split by tool and repost again. So this time I'm going to get 4 NC outputs for the 4 tools that are being used in the program. The last one's going to take a little bit longer due to the fact that it is including many more mold operations within that output NC code. So again, you can see the operations and tools included in each of these output NC programs. And the last option for split by, which right now we do not have any change of orientation or rotations in the program. However, if you do want to utilize this function, the per orientation will be first per tool. Then if within that tool the orientation changes, another NC code will be generated. And that is the new split NC code. Thank you.